And let's comment fears right off the bat here. There are no fatalities linked to whooping cough here in New Hampshire, but doctors do tell me that there are some cases linked to the West Coast and this disease. Right now, overall numbers for the year, they may end up pretty average, but the last month, doctors say that was anything but. Lab technicians in Concord are hard at work looking into why there's an apparent uptick in confirmed pertussis cases statewide.
We're seeing more disease in the summer than we often see with pertussis.
The state registers between 20 and 180 cases a year on average. So far, the state's seen 81. But what has doctors concerned is the number of cases reported just in the last month.
21 of those were in July.
The cases are diverse and geographically unrelated.
All ages, definitely both genders.
Its root cause now the focus of intense medical research.
I don't think that we understand what happened in July to make it be a spike. We were talking about cases that we were investigating in young children and older people. It doesn't seem like it's related to one event.
Pertussis, better known as whooping cough, is most common among young children.
It has a really characteristic type of whoop or breathing in sound that people have when they cough with it.
It's a mostly cyclical infection, peaking every few years and reaching new highs nationwide. Here in New Hampshire, the trend is alarming. July 2010 saw just one confirmed case, 2011, just 7 to 3 times that amount this year.
Why this year as opposed to last year? I think that this is a disease that cycles every 3 to 5 years, and it's a very high year.
And it's potentially fatal, but new vaccines have kept it at bay. Researchers say 88% of teens have received the booster shot here in New Hampshire, 92% of infants. That may be why whooping cough isn't more of a concern statewide, where across the country it's continuously making headlines. And to put these numbers in perspective for you, here in New Hampshire, doctors say that 2 years ago there were 6 cases of whooping cough statewide. Last year, 42 cases. Already this year, about double that, with another 5 months still to go. Reporting live in Meredith from our Lakes Region Bureau, Adam Harding, WMUR News 9.